What are you doing, baby?
Blackberries are coming on.
Oh, are we gonna have blackberries and ice cream tonight?
We are.
Check out all.
Look how big as a grape.
These are thornless blackberries. And this is a this is the 3rd year on this.
It started right here.
It started right here with a 6-inch starter. Right down here we planted about 6 or 10 6-inch tall starters. And last year we trained them to vine up this thing. This year they have already reached the ground over here and have sprouted out here to the side. Because I don't know where else we need to train them to. Train them back up around, I guess.
They're ripening on the outside. The inside's not getting sunlight.
If anybody needs any thornless blackberry starters, we have you covered. But we will ship you some, or you can come visit the homestead. But yeah, we've got the blackberries on the outside are what's ripening first.
Getting
Looks
all
like
the sun. That one had a little tug on it, so it wasn't quite right.
Well, here's a couple on the inside that are perfect.
If you have to pull them hard, they're not ripe.
That is crazy. They are huge, plump. Let me see what else. I haven't been out here since we got rid of the piggies, since they went to freezer camp. And it's a jungle out here. Well, it's a jungle alone with just the blackberries. They have filled up their space to the point to where...
Man, we got some great starters.
Yeah, we've got a lot of runners. Lots of runners. They're so easy to start. You just put them in the ground. And then the following year, you're going to get fruit.
It's amazing how fast they take over.
Look how big. Is that a blackberry? That is crazy how thick that stalk is. That's an original stalk right there.
Yeah.
It's huge.
And the ones that are coming on, we're going to have so many blackberries, it's unreal.
Yeah. I don't know how many plants I started with. 6 or 10. And that is way too many for just harvesting for some blackberries and ice cream.
Oh, but it's delicious. Matter of fact, I'm going to tell you how good they are.
Brian's out there eating one.
Mm. Oh, they're sweet. So good.
Man, they're coming on so fast. I hope I don't miss my opportunity to get out here to harvest some. Okay, Brian's going to harvest so we can have a dessert tonight after dinner. I just wanted you guys to see and tell you how fast it can fill up a trellis. So this trellis, this is 200 inches long.
Look at these starters.
Look at those starters that have already draped over the arch, rooted in the ground, and now sprouting back up for a new arch. There's one right above in the middle. Can you reach it?
Where at?
Right here. Right there's one. Okay. That's the update on the blackberries.